Hello student, in this video we talk about how to get our auto code and how to place our auto add code in our WordPress website. So log in your Google AdSense account and click on home and click on ads and click on overview. In overview click on buy site and then click to get code. It is your auto add code. So click on that and it is your auto add code. So copy code and click on done. So click on your WordPress website, log into your dashboard, click on appearance and then click on theme file editor. After that click on the header side, header.php. so it is the theme footer and it is the theme header, header.php. so click on theme header. I have already put this code but I want to teach you how to get your code and how to place your add code in your WordPress website. So check your closing head tag. It is the opening head tag. It is the opening head tag. So we check the closing head tag. It is the closing head tag, and then you click on that and paste your auto add code. I have already placed this code. It is my Google auto add code, and so then you place your auto add code and click on update file, and your code will be updated. So it is a short video to how to get your auto add code and how to place your auto add code in your WordPress theme header. Thank you for watching this video.